Okay, my name is Ron Scott, and I'm making this video for Echo at Holy Stone. This is on the HS100 quadcopter, and I haven't been able to get it to take off from a standard remote position using just the controller and no cell phone. I have a second camera set up over here, and I'll be, taking second pictures. But anyway, so here's the surrounding area. It's calm. It's about 1 o'clock on a Tuesday afternoon. So I'll go ahead and turn the other camera on, and quad is completely off, and the batteries are fully charged. And I will put the video camera off to the side here, and hopefully it takes some decent videos. And the other camera over here is just a backup. But okay, so we'll start my checklist. Here's my checklist. Just like the video said, and the instructions were there. So okay, I turn on the controller, and it beeps. At this point, I turn on the quadcopter, and I see lights on the bottom, and the camera just went up and down like this. So at this point, I will push the stick left up to pair it down, and I get a beep in both directions. Then I go through the calibration, which I push both the sticks in and up, wait a couple of seconds, let go, and now I'll go through the calibration. I'll rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. And at this point I have 2 purple lights and 2 blinking white lights. And now I'll go through the vertical calibration with the camera up. The camera's totally up. And I'll go through the vertical calibration. And the white lights are on now. White lights on, purple lights in the back. Okay? So at this point I've done all what I was supposed to. And then now I push the headless switch. I get a beep. I push the headless. I got a beep after 3 seconds. And at this point, I will attempt to take off by pushing the auto takeoff. I hear a beep, and there's nothing. So beyond that, I don't know what else to do other than try it again, and nothing. Push the throttle up and down, and there's nothing. Left and right, up, down, together, apart. Again, try and take off again. Push the headless mode. Try taking off, and still nothing. So, I don't know what's wrong, but I can't seem to get it going. And I went through the videos. I studied the videos. I went through them 5 times. Still I couldn't get it going. So I guess I'm going to have to either send it back, but it's no good. Now, I did have problems with the controller before, but at this point, I don't know what to do. So I guess I'm going to have to quit for right now and call it a day. So I thank you very much for watching the video, and Echo, I hope you got something out of this. In the meantime, have a good day. Bye-bye for now. quadcopter, the Holy Stone. This is the Holy Stone 100. So, first of all, the batteries are fully charged on the controller and on the quadcopter. So I'll first of all turn on the controller, beeps, and I'll turn on the quad, and I get 3.5 lights, which looks good to me, and everything looks solid. So at this point I'll press the bind button where I should get a bind, or pair they call it. Some people call it pairing. But anyway, this is paired now, and I'm going to go ahead with the calibration. So I push both of the sticks in and up, and then I set the controller down. I do my horizontal calibration. Actually, I guess I can go both ways. Horizontal calibration, and I get blinking lights here, purple lights there, and then I'll go with the vertical calibration. Camera is pointing up. Camera is pointing up, and the white lights are blinking, and now the white lights are solid. So I'll put that down, and hopefully at this point I can go ahead and press the headless mode, the top left button here. I'll push the top left button here, get a beep, and at this point, according to the video, I'll push the takeoff button, and I get a beep, and I don't get any takeoff. And I don't know what else I can do. I guess I can go up and down on the throttle stick. But anyway, I'll hit takeoff again, I get a beep, and there's no response. There's no response at all. So I'll go through that once more, just for clarity. Okay, now the quad is completely off at this point. Quad is completely off, and the batteries are fully charged, and I will put the video camera off to the side here, and hopefully it takes some decent videos. And the other camera over here is just a backup. But okay, so we'll start my checklist. There's my checklist, just like the video said, and the instructions were there. So okay, I turn on the controller and it beeps. At this point, I turn on the quadcopter, and I see lights on the bottom, and the camera just went up and down like this. So at this point, I will push the stick left up to pair it down, and I get a beep in both directions. Then I go through the calibration, which I push both the sticks in and up, wait a couple of seconds, let go, and now I'll go through the calibration. I'll rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. And at this point I have 2 purple lights and 2 blinking white lights. And now I'll go through the vertical calibration with the camera up. The camera's totally up. And I'll go through the vertical calibration. And the white lights are on now. White lights on, purple lights in the back. Okay, so at this point I've done all what I was supposed to, and then now I push the headless switch. I get a beep. I push the headless, I got a beep after 3 seconds, and at this point I will attempt to take off by pushing the auto takeoff. I hear a beep, and there's nothing. So beyond that, I don't know what else to do other than try it again, and nothing. Push the throttle up and down, and there's nothing. Left and right, up, down, together, apart. Again, try and take off again. Push the headless mode. Try taking off. And still. So, I don't know what's wrong, but I can't seem to get going. And I went through the videos. I studied the videos. I went through them 5 times. Still I couldn't get it going. So I guess I'm going to have to either send it back, but it's no good. Now, I did have problems with the controller before, but at this point, I don't know what to do. So I guess I'm going to have to quit for right now. So this is the backup camera, and I hope you got something out of this echo. And I don't know what to do at this point, because I've studied the videos as much as I can, and it still won't work. There, on the front, if you notice, there's 2 white lights blinking. In the back, 2 lights, purple, are on. So anyway, I'll cut it off from here,